that little cup right there? Oh, is that, oh, there's that carrot. There's that carrot. Oh, this is my favorite. Not. I don't know if I really like this one. Where's that other green one that you had the other day? I feel like I have a carrot mustache going on. But, does this make my mouth look orange? Does this make my mouth look orange? Oh, no. I just don't so. Oh, what's over here? What's over here on the table? I don't know that I care too much for these carrots. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Oh, yum. Delicioso. Oh, I think I like it. Oh, I like it a lot. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I got it in my nose. I don't like that. I don't like it up my nose. Because I can't breathe that well. Oh, thank you for my carrots. Oh, there's more. I don't think so. There's more in the spoon. And do I want it? Or do I want to eat my hands? Do I want it? Or I think I'm going to eat my hands. Finger food. Yum. Oh, finger food with carrots. Oh, that's enough for me for now. I think I'm just going to, eat my fingers. Oh, that was so yummy. Thank you, Mommy. Ooh, more? What? No wonder I'm so thick. Oh, that's why I'm called a Chunky Monkey.
That's so
Chunky Monkey.
cute.
Oh, look at this. Oh, one last bite.
That's
And that's all for me. Yes, sir.
so cute.
Thank you, Mommy. Love you. Bye-bye.